In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Shopify store name in just a few steps. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Firstly, you will need to have a Shopify plan, of course. So I want to let you know about this special offer running right now. I will leave a link in the description below with this special offer that will get you any Shopify plan for just €1 per month for the next 3 months. So in my case, I have chosen the most expensive plan, which is normally almost €400 per month. I got it for just €1 per month for the next 3 months, and you even get 3 days of Shopify completely for free. So it's the best way to try Shopify and don't spend a lot of money, so you can choose any plan you want and you will just spend €3. So don't forget to use the link in the description. Then once we have our Shopify store ready, you need to go to settings, and then at general right here, in my case, my name is my store, which is the default name. So to change it, just go right here and click this icon and then select any name you want. So in my case, I'm gonna put tech shop, for example, and then save. And that's it. That's how easy you can change your Shopify store name. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.